Sit back and relax in the comfort of your home. Amana.
Hi, welcome to Lifestyles of the Cool and Cozy.
Brought to you by the great folks at Amana Brand Heating and Air Conditioning.
I'm Tim Baldwin.
And I'm Olivia Perez, and we're your hosts for a tour across North America.
That'll introduce you to a variety of homeowners living in different kinds of homes who've all made smarter heating and cooling decisions.
With a little bit of help from Amana Heating and Air Conditioning, that is.
Now, today we're heading to a part of the country that has some great old homes and where winter can be pretty cold.
In fact, it is, Tim. I love the toboggans. Great house.
This is really cool.
More snacks. There you go. Hey, can you get the door? Thank you. Hi guys. Welcome. Come on in, you guys. Thanks.
Hi, Holly. Hi, Jim.
All right, take this into the dining room for me, okay?
Wow, your home is beautiful and it's very warm and toasty.
Did you guys recently replace your heating system?
Actually, yeah, we did. The old system simply quit working on us, so we got an Amana brand.
No. Yeah, our local dealer suggested Amana for a lot of reasons, like how it keeps us warm.
And a big reason for that? The unique heat exchanger.
Now, for you folks at home, the heat exchanger is the part in the furnace where energy is converted into warmth. Simply put, there's likely no other part in a furnace that's more important.
And Amana has a unique tubular heat exchanger. It's actually made of stainless steel and it features wrinkle bend technology. It offers exceptional durability and reliability.
And why we stay so warm and comfortable.
Yeah, we're also saving on our heating bill, which is really nice.
Yeah, you can chalk that up to the high efficiency rating of an Amana brand gas furnace.
Which translates to winters without long underwear and multiple sweaters.
Inside the house, of course.
Well, we've got to run.
You guys enjoy the great indoors this winter.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Stay cozy.
Oh.
Yeah, of course. I'll walk you guys out.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for coming with us. We've got to get back on the road.
To find more people living the lifestyles of the cool and cozy.
Thanks to Amana Brand Heating and Cooling Systems.
We might even be coming to your town.
Yeah, but we are not riding with a window open. It is freezing in there.
Hey, I'm sorry, there's no Amana brand heat exchanger on the motorhome.
Freezing.